In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn app into widget on iPhone on iOS 18. So the new iOS 18 now allows you to convert any of your favorite application on your iPhone home screen to widget just like this. So this is a cloud widget, and you can convert any of this application into this type of widget on your iPhone. So if I don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, when you want to turn or convert app into widget on iPhone on iOS 18, all you just need to do is pick the application you want to convert or turn to widget. So let's say I want to turn the Facebook app to widget. Just go ahead and click on it. Then you should have these options here. That is this tags option. You need to click on any of these tags option. Click on this. Then you should see the Facebook app come up like this. If you press and hold it again, then choose another widget type. Then you can have your Facebook app just like this. You can just repeat the process. Click on this like this. Then this is going to change the Facebook app to widget just like this. So you see that? So that you can easily convert any application to widget on iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.